Hi guys, I'm Aura and welcome back to L.O.V Cosmetics YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create this beautiful, cute and romantic look perfect for a date night. So this is definitely something I will wear myself because I think it's really cute and subtle, so it's not too much. So if you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. So after moisturizing my face, I'm gonna be using the Hyaluronic Serum Primer. So I'm just gonna dab a little on my face. And this is actually my favorite primer from L.O.V. It has become my favorite, you know, guys, I love the Aura, but this is definitely like the best because it has this like very refreshing feeling. It really tightens your pores, so it gives you like a flawless like skin. Basically, your foundation is gonna look flawless all day. So next I'm gonna be applying the L.O.V Time 18-hour long-lasting foundation and my shade is number 10. So don't forget to shake it and then take some, and then I'm gonna use a beauty blender and just start from the middle outwards. It makes your skin really like even and it's not like too much on the skin. What I also like is that it has SPF, so it's really protecting your skin, and also actually it has some hyaluronic filling spheres, so it's really smoothing out, and if you happen to have any lines, it's just gonna blur that out. The texture of my skin is more smooth, but it still looks like skin. Next, I'm gonna be using the Camouflage Concealer Cream. It looks like this. I'm gonna be using a flat brush to cover my imperfections, and later on I will be adding again this concealer under my eyes so I don't have to correct twice if in case of some fallout or something like that. And just take a beauty blender to just even everything out. Next, we're gonna set our foundation. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Set and Refresh Universal Powder, which looks like this. So I've heard so many good things about this one, especially from Miriam, that you saw in another video, and I am so excited to try it myself. So let's give it a try. It has this beautiful like nude color. So it seems like it's perfect even for darker complexions, which is great. So it's supposed to have a cooling effect, so let's try. Oh. Okay, it says it contains water and I can't understand why, because it really feels like your brushes are wet and that's definitely not the case. But it really feels like basically you are spraying a mist on your face. So just like press in and lock that foundation. Oh wow, I know. It really is like a filter. So for the eyes, I'm gonna be using these two great palettes, the Rose Copper eyeshadow palette, and the choice is all yours. So the first shade I'm gonna be using for the base is Mary, which looks like this. So I'm gonna be applying this color all over my lid. This is a very neutral color, so it goes really nicely as a base. So after Mary, we're gonna move on to our transition shade. For that, we're gonna be using the Rose Copper eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna be using Confident, which looks like this. So Confident is gonna be on my crease. It's basically a transition shade, and I really like it because it's this like unique coral color. So I'm just putting it here to create that crease. So these eyeshadows are a little more like creamy, so it's really good to have like a more dense brush so you can really have like the pigment come through. So it's not just like very subtle, but you really want the color to be visible. So that's why I changed the brush. So here on the crease, while you apply it, blend it towards the lash line, but not too low. So I'm gonna put a little powder under my eyes to protect the skin from the fallout, so I don't get any like marks or foundation. My foundation is gonna be destroyed. And then the other eye. It's really beautiful. Wow. Very summery. So for some extra depth, I'm gonna be using Rosy, and the choice is all yours. So I know that all of you have seen this tip that you can put like tape here on your eyes so that the eyeshadow is gonna be looking like sharp and super flawless. Who has time in the morning to actually put tape and then take it off? It hurts, like you don't need free waxing. So I actually use this card, just take it out, and it creates like magic, I promise. I'm gonna show you how. Take the fluffy brush and then your eyeshadow. So here you take your card and then actually place it in the area where you kind of want to cut off the crease. And there you actually start to apply the eyeshadow. You actually want to apply Rosy in a V. You don't want to go too far in. It's just kind of to give that extra depth for a more seductive look. And as you see, the fallout comes on the card. And just blend. Just like that, and voila. You see it's really sharp and pointy, and that's what we want. So after that, you just go ahead and fix it with concealer. And if you see a little mark here, that's just the pressure of the card. My skin is very sensitive, but it disappears after some minutes, so no worries about that. Just like that to really brighten the eye, and then don't forget your under eyes. So to brighten up that look, I'm gonna be using Smart here on the eyelid, which looks like this. So use a flat brush or a dense brush, because as I said, it's very creamy. So you really want to have the bang effect of this eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. It is really bright. It's like a neutral champagne tone. So it's not too pinky, but not too white either. Or you can ditch the brush and use your finger. I really like using my fingers for some reason, so. So for some extra shine and to really make the eye pop, I'm gonna be using the Galaxy in number 500 in Rose Extended, which looks like this. I really like this one because you can be using it as a topper, but also as an eyeliner. So just take your finger and have an angled brush so that you can really come close to your teardrop. Apply it on top, and if you want, go all the way out to kind of give this shimmery effect to the rest of the other eyeshadows. And then the angled brush, and apply it on your teardrop. I like it because even though it's very shimmery, it's a little discreet, so it's not like boom in your eyes, you know. It's just very, very elegant. So I'm gonna be applying Rosy on my lower lash line to really give this look a more like seductive and smoky eye like vibe to it. And for lashes, I'm gonna be using the Lash Seduction Instant Volume Mascara. So to warm up my face, I'm gonna be using our favorite L.O.V Sun Blurring Bronzing Powder in shade number 20, Bronze Seductive, which looks like this. It smells really nice. So just take a little. And let's move on to blush. So to give even more definition to my face, I'm gonna be using the Blushment Blurring Blush in Yes She Can, which looks like this. So I'm applying it on the top of my cheek, the highest point, and just kind of blend it in with the bronzing powder. So it really looks like natural and not like separated. So what I really like about this blush is that it's actually 2 shades in one, and it has this kind of like shimmery, so it works perfect. Like if you want to skip the highlighter, it's like beautiful. Like just look at this glow. And it's not like too pinky, so like you don't have like the super rosy cheeks either. So very discreet, but super, super glowy. So to finish this look, I'm gonna be using the Lovelicious Caring Volume Gloss in 131. So basically, you're just gonna put it on because I really wanna have this like look of juicy, plumpy, kissable lips. So just like that. And personally, I'm in love with this shade. I think it's one of the prettiest. Like I have ditched all of my matte lipsticks. Just like that. It's so nice because it's so creamy, not sticky at all. So this is the final look. A little bit of pink and shimmer makes this look perfect for a date night. It's a very cute and classical look that works perfect for any occasion as well, and it doesn't take like too much time, and it's just like so easy to make. So I hope that you want to try this look and let me know in the comments below if you're ready to give it a try. Also, make sure to subscribe to L.O.V's channel, and if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. And for more makeup tutorials, hit that bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye!